everyone. So now our IIW team, Miorent Indonesia team, are in the Bandung, the West Java, the capital city of the West Java. So everyone knows the Java Island is so special for Indonesia's economy because this is the highest density population of the people are located in West Java. So this time our IW team came to Bandung and we managed to invite more than 60 delegates from the national state-owned company, from the private sector, from the Indonesian Association side, from the Chamber of Commerce. So today we had a wonderful discussion about the main topic of our IIW show, innovation and collaboration. So I think all the experts from the relevant sectors, from the relevant industry, they are quite keen to see the innovation part at the IW show, because IW show is not just an exhibition. We see that it's like a platform to connect the business people, to connect the people with the professionals, with the experts, with the academy person. So I think the IW played a very important role for the innovation of the industry, innovation of the manufacturer sector in Indonesia. So I think today the Indonesian Logistics Association, the Indonesian Packaging Federation, Packaging Development Federation, and there are many other associations. They bring their members to our roadshow today, and we had a very active discussion over the topic. So I think innovation is quite important for all the countries. So exhibition, our IW definitely will be a platform for people to meet, for people to discuss about the collaboration. So I think all the collaborations start with the communication. So we do welcome the buyers from Bandung, from the West Java area. Please do come to our show from 4 to 7 June in Jakarta at the J Expo. So I believe that by visiting our event, definitely you will see many innovations from the exhibitors at their show, and definitely you will also get inspired by the innovation from the exhibitors. Of course, I do believe that there are many companies from Indonesia already has innovation from the manufacturer sector, from the agriculture sector, from the logistics sector. So we do welcome you to bring also your innovation to our IW show. So let's meet, let's discuss, and let's cooperate. Thank you. Yeah, I see you at the IW show. See you in June.